Today we are going to learn about how to create a 2D array, or you can say a matrix. So let's get started. First, let's include all the necessary things to create a C program. First, header files. That heads tag include stdio.h. Then int main and main body of the program. That's int. First, let's create int I, j and array, 2-dimension array A. We are going to give it I the value 100 and the second value be 100 also. So first let's write it and let's include I, int I. First let's printf statement and let's write enter the elements of the 2D array. And after that we are going to enter a for loop in which again we enter a for loop. So for the first for loop start from I is equals to 0 and let's make it so it runs only two values. So I is equals to 0 and I is less than 2, I plus plus and I plus plus, and again we enter in the loop and again for second loop for I is equals to 0. Let's copy it first and let's replace I with j. I is equals to 0, j is less than 2, j plus plus, and now we enter the loop. So first we have to scan all the values, all the elements. So first scanf %d and aij. Look, when the for loop starts, the value of I will be replaced by 0 and then it enters the second for loop, and for which j is equals to 0. And then when the condition is satisfied, j is equals to 0, a00, and the first element is to be at that address, is to be saved at that address, and again the loop runs to j is equals to 1, and after that j is equals to, but the condition is not satisfied, that j is less than 2. So the program exits the loop and again runs for I is equals to 1. So for that I a10 and again runs for a11, and after that when j's value becomes 2, the program exits from first for loop and then enters the second for loop, but the value of I is also 2, so it comes out from the for loop and then executes the program. So let's check it for the value 1. Oh, so look at that, I forgot something like that. Looks like I forgot something. Let's check it. Oh yes, I forgot about value and percent here. Now checking it, there's also a problem. Let's add \n here so that after every enter the program, the line to end. Let's add \t for tab here and a printf statement defining telling us that the 2D array required 2D array is oh, I forgot about 2D array. So but you know what I'm doing here. Let's check it for 1 2 3 4 there. Yeah, see, required 2D array is 1 2 3 4. Let's erase it and check it for bigger value 2662 4262 882 5415 451 no then 88475. That's they see required 2D is well, just add the required 2D array there. I forgot about that. And okay, the program is completed. Okay, it's look nice.